In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate text fields data in Docusign in the easiest way possible. First things first, let's head over to Docusign, the global leader in electronic signature solutions and intelligent agreement cloud management, by opening your web browser and typing in the Docusign URL. This platform makes managing and signing documents incredibly easy, whether you're an individual or part of a large organization. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, you'll want to log in. You'll need to click on the Login button, which you'll find at the upper right corner of the page. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials. If not, you might want to consider signing up, as Docusign offers a host of features that streamline document management processes. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Docusign home. This should be relatively straightforward. From any page, click on the Home tab located on the navigation bar at the top of the screen. This homepage is essentially your control center, where you can create new forms, manage existing documents, and view your document activity at a glance. For this task, you'll be working with Docusign templates, which allow you to save time by reusing documents that require the same setup. To do this, navigate to the Templates section by selecting it from the menu. Once there, choose a template that fits your needs. Templates come in handy if you have recurring documents that require the same fields and layout, and they ensure consistency across all documents you send out. After selecting a suitable template, you'll need to add some specific details. This can include setting up recipients, customizing the message, and inputting any data specific to the document you're processing. Doing this helps personalize the document and make sure all necessary information is included. Once your details are in place, the next step is to look for the Next button and click it. This action takes you to the page where you can add fields to your document. Fields are essential in Docusign as they dictate where signers must interact with your document, whether it's adding a signature, initials, or text. After clicking Next, you'll have the ability to select and place fields on your document. This is where the magic happens. Highlight where you need text or data to be entered. It's crucial to be strategic about where these fields go to ensure all needed information is accurately captured. And finally, after placing your fields, remember to label each one. Labeling ensures that when someone is filling out the document, they have clear indications of what needs to be inputted in each field. Proper labeling reduces errors and enhances the user experience for the person receiving the document. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've not only replicated text fields data in Docusign, but also streamlined your document workflow process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing efficiency with Docusign and other digital solutions.